So we all love sewing quilts, but especially Christmas quilts. So this is extra special today. This is called Christmas Lane. These are fabrics by Sandy Gervais. She designs for Riley Blake. We just said, it's time. This, if you can believe it, this patchwork was made with 0 pins with fusible grid. I filmed a video on how this works. It's awesome. You have 3 lanes of this, and we even give you an extra lane to make a table runner. That's included. You get your quilt kit, and you even have enough for a table runner and backing. This is an easy yes. And I love working with fusible grid. It's actually been around for decades, and it kind of fell away, and now it's popular again, kind of like cross stitch. It's back, and I'm so glad it is. All of the beautiful applique here. We have full-size layout diagrams for you that work beautifully with the wafer 2 light pad and the applique mat. I filmed a video on that as well. I always love adding just a touch of a scallop. We love using our scallops, vines, and waves. It's a template by Quilt in a Day, and I've done a video on that too to show you how do you use that. How do you look at your specific project to determine where those scallops should be. So how a reserve works is easy. You're simply making a $10 deposit toward the cost of your kit. Then once all the fabric comes in, we get busy, we cut and carefully fold and prepare your kit. We bill you for the difference and head that your way. As you can see, this quilt is so beautiful and deserves the perfect backing. That's your option as well. Make a $5 deposit toward your backing. And for 15 bucks today, you know you're going to get one of these kits, and you're going to get this backing, and you even have enough fabric to make the coordinating table runner. Some decisions, I really true debate. This one, this is easy. Head to the Shabby website. The Christmas Lane is one of the prettiest quilts of the season. Make that deposit toward your kit. Again, a $5 deposit toward your backing. We even have a beautiful 5-piece thread set to stitch down that prefused and laser cut applique. If you don't already have a light source, the price for the wafer 2 light pad is incredible. Pick that up along with the applique mat and any other notions you might need.